with a very daft song, really, for the kids. Makes me laugh. I'm a bit of a daft kid anyway. Right. Ugly Squawking Parrot, barking dog and me.
Now ugly squawking parrot, barking dog and me, one day went to Fat Pig's house to have a cup of tea. The tea had tasted tasty, so we had another cup. Then we tried to leave old Fat Pig to do the washing up. I say, with dismay, Fat Pig said, you three, that 6 cups you've drunk so far will cost you 50p. Now ugly squawking parrot said, buddy, I've no more. So Fat Pig kicked him up the bum and kicked him out the door. You pay me 50p. Oh, what? I'll kick you up the bum. Now barking doggy had no cash and wished he'd never come. So Fat Pig threw him out as well and kicked him up the bum. Fat Pig was very angry. He then turned round to me, said, as you're the last one here, give me 50p. When I said I had no money, Fat Pig's face turned glum. He quickly bent me over and he kicked me up the bum. When I said I was very sorry, he opened up the door, and as he threw me out, he kicked me up the bum once more. You pay me 50p or what? I'll kick you up the bum. So an ugly squawking parrot, barking dog and me, next time go to Fat Pig's house to have a cup of tea. We'll say it tastes so tasty, we'll have another cup. We'll pay old Fat Pig 50.